Hello everyone, welcome back to my series. In this video, we will quickly learn about functions in Kotlin, how to create them, call them and pass the values. So, first of all, what is function? A function is basically a block of code that perform a specific task. So, instead of writing the same code again and again, we can put it inside a function and just call it whenever we need. Right, so let's take function. Let's start with example. So I will take a one function outside of the main function. I will take create user, and in that function I want to just simply print the statement that hello everyone, and uh, what we need to do, just we have to call this function in the main function. So that's it. Let's run this file and see the output. So here you can see that it prints the hello everyone. So when the program runs, it prints this statement hello everyone. So without wasting time, let's take another example of function that let me comment down this. Okay, so we are not using it anymore, so we have to comment down that as well. So let's take another example that in which we can use we can see how to use a parameter. So for that I will take another function. Let's take get parameter, and in that function, in this function I will give a parameter. That parameter name, and then type of it is string, right? And in this I just want to print the statement, simple statement, hey everyone, my name is Kotlin, and we have to just call it in the main function, right? So here you can see that it gives a error. Because why? Because we didn't pass this parameter over here. So for that we have to give sorry, we can give let's say Kotlin, and here we will pass a dynamic value that is name of parameter. So it will call over here and it will pass the dynamic value, not the static value. So let's run this file and see the output. So here you can see that it print the dynamic value that we that we take using a parameter. So you can also take a parameter function. Values we passed inside parentheses. Here a name is a parameter, and the type of it is string. So when we call get parameter, the Kotlin will be print. So now let's move to the another example of function, that how function returns the value. So let me comment down this first, so it will not print every values, right? So for that I will take one function that add numbers. In this I will take one parameter and the type of it is int. Okay, and another will be let's be, and type of it also int. Okay, this why I this one int I will explain you later once once we see the output. Return a plus b. Okay, so here we have to call the function in main function, that we have to take one variable. Let's take variable sum is equal to the function name add numbers, and here we give the value 10 and 20, that we assign the value for a and b, and here not these brackets, right? Okay, now it's look good, and print the statement. Once you see the output you will get a better idea, and then I will explain everything in detail, so don't worry about it if you don't understand it right now. We have to give this variable name. Okay, let's run this and see the output, and then I will explain it in detail. So here you can see that the output is sum is 30. So here what happens, that the function take two integers a and b and return their sum. Notice that this int after double colon, that tells Kotlin return type of this function. That means the return keyword sends the result back to the back to where the function was called. So here what happens, that the return keyword sends the result back to the function where it is called. So now you understand that how to return a value using a function. Another thing that I want to tell you, that you can also use a very short type of function in which you don't have to write this integer and no braces, you can and no return value. You have to just write is equal to. If the function has only single line, you can also use this type of shorter line. So let's run this and see what is the output. Is it same or not? So here you can see that the output is same, right? So if the function has one line, you can remove the braces and use is equal to instead of it. So Kotlin automatically knows that it returns a plus. Kotlin already knows that it returns a plus b. So friends, that's how functions work in Kotlin. You can define your own functions, pass parameters, return values, and even make short one-liners. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with another concept of Kotlin. See you. Bye bye.